how to set eye comfort shield to adaptive or custom settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Eye Comfort Shield. After click on Eye Comfort Shield, make sure turn on Eye Comfort Shield and you will see adaptive and custom is here. If you want to set Eye Comfort Shield custom, click on custom, you will see Eye Comfort Shield is set on custom. If you want to set Eye Comfort Shield adaptive, click on adaptive, you will see Eye Comfort Shield is set on adaptive. So you will select custom and adaptive from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set eye comfort shield to adaptive or custom on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.